distinguished guests and members from Laksha PR organization. We are first would like to welcome you all for this one of the oldest and largest professional body in the world, and we are 1920 we started. We are almost 104 years we are completing as headquarters in Kolkata, and we were 17th Industry Excellence Award program we are conducting tomorrow at Novotel Hotel, and we are also having Industry Academic Excellence Awards program also we are conducting. That is the fourth time we are doing an Academic Excellence Awards. Industry Excellence Awards, 17th year Industry Excellence Awards are doing. And about the details of the types of awards and how many industries are participated, and my CEO and Secretary Director General Sayalisa will tell you. But before I request him to do about the awards, I would like to mention few things about press friends was asking when I came that Kolkata headquarters here for last 104 years, and we are the largest professional body in India, around 9 lakhs corporate members all over India. We have 124 local and state centers, and we have 15 engineering branches, and we have 6 overseas chapters representing Institution of Engineers India in different parts. We have 7 forums are operating, and we are very proud that we are in Kolkata headquarters. I think most of the professional bodies is not there, but still we are in Kolkata for last 104 years, and we are serving all the 15 engineering branches, the major engineering core branches there. And one interesting fact for especially for Kolkata press should know that Institution of Engineers gives engineering degrees by section A and B certificate who are passing this examination conducted by Institution of Engineers. We started in 1926. We have produced around 2,65,000 engineers carrying the degree of 8 Gokhale Road Institution of Engineers in their certificate, serving all over the world. We take any part in the world, whether it is the Gulf area or in US or even Australia, all the parts of things are doing. We are doing the best representing the Indian educational industry, educational excellence certificate received from Institution of Engineers India. This is a very proud. I am also one of the engineers who is carrying a certificate given by 8 Gokhale Road Institution of Engineers India. I am not passed out of any engineering colleges. And another thing, we were the first institute when IIT Kharagpur started in 1956, and they are looking for an organization, then government headed by the Pandit Nehruji. Then they wanted who should certify this IIT Kharagpur that they are eligible to give an engineering degree. Institution of Engineers went for the inspection, auditing of the IIT Kharagpur, and we gave a certificate for IIT Kharagpur that you can start now giving in a certificate. So this is a history of Institution of Engineers India, built over 104 years. And as I said, we were recognizing the industrial awards who are excellence in all the best industries all over India who are serving for the maybe in the manufacturing, the services or a construction area we are doing. And for the last 4 years, we are also taken the engineering academic institutions also the part of it. And this is the second time we are doing a awards function separately than our engineering congress. And the first time we are doing in Kolkata place this awards function. This is a second in the award, but first time in Kolkata we are doing, and that is in tomorrow at Novotel Hotel. And we have invited our agriculture minister as a chief guest of the program. He is Mr. Yeah. Chief guest of the ceremony, Shri Sobandev Chattopadhyay, and the State Cabinet Minister for Agriculture. We are having the distinguished guest Prasanna Kumar, Chairman and Managing Director of NLC India Limited. We are having another distinguished guest from Hyderabad, Telangana State Mineral Corporation, Sushil Kumar there. And we are having the prestigious organizations who have participated in the applications of applying for them. We have a very revered jury system is there for evaluating the awards for the applicants, and the jury has been selected to give a platinum, gold and silver award for the industries tomorrow function.
Rangareddy sir has mentioned, this building in which you are sitting the doors of this building were opened by the President of India, Zakir Hussain, and when you go down to the ground floor, just see that the key is still there. We have framed it and kept it. And our first annual general meeting was attended by the Viceroy of India. And if you see the famous Howrah Bridge, that was conceptualized, the concept note was written by Sir R.N. Mukherjee, who was the first president of the Institution of Engineers. So we have very, very rich legacy. We have our publications, our Springer journals are there, and in which all the young researchers, they can contribute their papers, and the Springer, which is a very famed research journal, that publishes their paper. We are also recognized as a scientific and industrial research organization by the Department of Electronics, Government of India. So we have a very rich this thing, and as Rangaseti Reddy sir brought out, that probably the awareness in Kolkata and Bengal also needs to be improved, and we this time we requested our Honorable CM to attend our engineering congress also. Unfortunately, she was busy and she is deputing somebody else, the Mayor of Calcutta, to come for our congress. So we want that the entire Bengal and Calcutta should know about the Institution of Engineers, because we are one of the few organizations who have continued to stay in Bengal and contribute to the Bengal. And in order to recognize industry from who are doing very well, where there are some lessons to be learned, this Industry Excellence Awards were instituted 17 years back, and about 4 years back we also decided to recognize the engineering education institutions. So these two awards have been instituted, and further in these awards, for example in Industry Excellence Awards, in order that even the small industries, they get to participate and they get to be recognized, we have divided them based on their turnover and their kind of work, because most of our industries are doing various different kind of work. So the first category is the engineering, manufacturing and processing, where we have divided them into 4 categories. That is, first is category A, where the turnover is more than 5,000 crores. They are big corporations. Then is the category between 1,000 and 5,000 crores. That is the mid size. Then are the 2 small categories, that is the 200 to 1,000 crores, and the last category is less than 200 crores also. So therefore we are trying to recognize various segments of the industry as far as the engineering, manufacturing and processing is concerned. And how much the Government of India and the West Bengal government is giving push to manufacturing. I am saying in the next decade, it is all manufacturing, because India wants to become a global hub for the manufacturing. People are moving away from China. There are issues with China, threatening the countries with not supplying various materials. So everybody wants to be self-confident, Atmanirbhar. So therefore we are moving toward that direction. The second category is the engineering organizations in construction industry, to recognize the people, industry especially, which are in the construction. We have again categorized them into 3 categories. That is the greater than 5,000 crore, the big industrial construction companies. Then is the mid size, that is 50 to 2,000 crores, and the last is the less than 50 crores. So all various segments as far as this thing is concerned are being captured. Then we also have the engineering services and consultancy, these organizations. Similarly, we have divided them into various categories, so that, and we are giving them Platinum Award, the Gold Award, the Silver Award and the Bronze Award. So based on whether they have come first, second, third and fourth, into a very transparent, and based on their applications, there is a set formula on which basis these things are judged. Thereafter it goes to a committee and a jury which sees this, all the vets all the applications, and the awards are decided. Similarly, we also have the Engineering Education Excellence Award, and there we are the first category is the engineering colleges and institutions, and the second category is the polytechnics. We also want to recognize the polytechnics because they are also catering to a large segment of our population. And the third is the most important, is the women's engineering college. We want the women to, more women engineers, more women diploma holders. We want women to enter this, market.